Have you ever been stuck in a grocery line or waiting for a bus and suddenly remembered that one crucial task you forgot to add to your to-do list? The kind of task that, if left undone, will unleash a cascade of minor inconveniences or maybe even a full-blown organizational meltdown. We've all been there, right? The frantic mental juggling act, trying to remember every detail, the nagging feeling that you're forgetting something important. Now, if you're a Trello user, you know how powerful it can be for keeping your life and work organized. But here's the burning question. When you're out and about, away from your computer, can you actually use Trello on your phone? Is it a seamless experience, or just a watered-down version of the desktop powerhouse? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to break down everything you need to know about using Trello on your mobile device, from the basics to the hidden features that can truly transform your productivity on the go. Let's start with the obvious. Yes, you can use Trello on your phone. And it's not just a read-only experience. Trello offers dedicated mobile apps for both iOS and Android, designed to give you a full-fledged Trello experience right in the palm of your hand. But simply having an app doesn't guarantee a smooth and efficient workflow. So let's explore what you can really do. First, let's talk about the interface. When you open the Trello app, you'll immediately recognize the familiar board and card layout. It's optimized for mobile screens, making it easy to navigate even on smaller devices. You can swipe between boards, tap on lists, and drag and drop cards just like you would on your computer. The design is clean and intuitive, ensuring that you can quickly find what you need without getting lost in a maze of menus. Creating new cards is a breeze. Simply tap the plus button, and you'll be presented with a simple form to enter the card title. But the real power lies in the details. You can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, labels, and even attachments directly from your phone. Need to capture a quick photo of a receipt or a whiteboard? No problem. You can attach images directly from your camera roll or take a new photo within the app. Checklists are particularly useful on mobile. Imagine you're at the grocery store and need to remember a list of items. Instead of fumbling with a paper list, you can simply open your Trello card and check off items as you go. This eliminates the risk of losing your list or accidentally skipping an item. Due dates and reminders are another crucial feature. You can set due dates for tasks and receive notifications on your phone, ensuring that you never miss a deadline. This is especially helpful for time-sensitive tasks or appointments. You can also set reminders for specific times, making it easy to stay on top of your schedule. Labels are also a powerful tool for organizing your cards. You can assign labels to categorize tasks, prioritize them, or simply add visual cues. The Trello app allows you to create and manage labels just as easily as the desktop version. You can even filter cards by label, making it easy to find specific tasks. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Trello's strength lies in its ability to facilitate teamwork, and the mobile app doesn't disappoint. You can add members to boards and cards, assign tasks, and even leave comments. This makes it easy to stay connected with your team, even when you're on the go. You can receive notifications when someone comments on a card or assigns you a task, ensuring that you're always in the loop. One of the often overlooked features of the Trello mobile app is its offline functionality. Even when you're without an internet connection, you can still access your boards and cards. Any changes you make will be synced automatically when you regain connectivity. This is incredibly useful when you're traveling or working in areas with limited internet access. But, like any app, the Trello mobile app has its limitations. While it offers a robust set of features, some advanced functionalities are still best performed on the desktop version. For example, power-ups, which are third-party integrations that extend Trello's functionality, may have limited support or require configuration on the desktop. However, the core features of Trello are readily available and optimized for mobile. Let's address some common concerns. One question that often comes up is whether the mobile app is as secure as the desktop version. Trello employs industry-standard security measures to protect your data, regardless of whether you're using the desktop or mobile app. Your data is encrypted both in transit and at rest, ensuring that it remains safe and secure. Another concern is battery drain. While the Trello app does consume some battery, it's generally well optimized and shouldn't significantly impact your battery life. However, if you're concerned about battery drain, you can adjust your notification settings or limit the app's background activity. Now, let's talk about some tips and tricks for maximizing your Trello mobile experience. First, take advantage of widgets. Both iOS and Android offer Trello widgets that allow you to quickly access your boards and cards from your home screen. This can save you time and make it easier to stay organized. Second, use Siri or Google Assistant to create cards. Instead of manually typing out card titles, you can simply use voice commands to create new cards. This is especially useful when you're driving or have your hands full. Third, customize your notification settings. You can choose which notifications you receive and how often, ensuring that you're only alerted to the most important updates. This can help you avoid notification overload and stay focused on your tasks. Fourth, explore the app settings. Trello offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to personalize your experience. You can change the app's theme, adjust font sizes, and even enable dark mode. Fifth, use the search function. If you have a lot of boards and cards, the search function can be a lifesaver. You can quickly find specific cards by searching for keywords, labels, or members. Sixth, don't forget about the mobile web version. If you don't want to download the app, you can still access Trello through your mobile browser. The experience is generally similar to the app, but may have slightly different features or performance. Seventh, leverage the power of mobile attachments. Take photos, record voice notes, or attach documents directly from your device. This makes it incredibly easy to capture information and add it to your cards on the fly. Eighth, use the starred boards feature. If you have certain boards you access frequently, star them. This will make them appear at the top of your board list, saving you time. Ninth, take advantage of the app's gesture controls. Swipe left or right to quickly navigate between boards, tap and hold to drag and drop cards, and use pinch to zoom to view cards in more detail. 10th, and perhaps most importantly, remember that the Trello mobile app is a tool. It's designed to help you stay organized and productive. Experiment with different features and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and customize your experience to fit your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.